Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So here we have a review for our equations and inequalities. Okay, so here we go. Solve the following equation for R. What we can do here is we can distribute. Okay, so this -2 can get multiplied in. -2 minus 10R equals 22 minus 2R. Okay. Now we want to get all the R's on one side. We want to try and keep things positive. So I'm going to go ahead and add 10R to both sides. Plus 10R. Plus 10R. That would give me -2 equals 22 plus 8R. Very good. So I can subtract 22 from both sides now. -24 equals 8R. Be careful with your signs. Divide by 8. R equals -3. Cool. Okay. So just a simple equation solving, getting variables on one side. We're good to go. Alright, solve for x in the following systems. You have different things you could do here, but I want to try and get like my x's and my y's to match up. So I'm going to try and get my y's to match up. So between 2 and 5, what I want here is I want them to get to 10. So if I can multiply the top by 5, the whole thing, and the bottom one by -2, okay? Check out what happens. Now when I do this, up top I'm going to get 15x minus 10y equals 10. And down low I'm going to get -10x plus 10y equals -20. Okay. Notice how on the bottom I made it -2. That way I can get a positive y and a negative y. Alright. Now when I add these cancel out. This is the elimination method, which is, I think, the best. Alright, so that gives me 5x. 10 minus 20 gives you -10. I got rid of the y's because -10y plus 10y is 0. If I divide by 5, x equals -2. Cool. So, very good. If I plug this back in, I'm going to go with the top one. So 3x minus 2y equals 2. Plug -2 in for x. 3 times -2 is -6. Add 6 over. Okay, divide by -2. Alright, there we go. So -2, -4, good stuff. Okay. Solve the following systems. Now, can you guys take a second here and just look how I've got y equals and I've got y equals. Since they both equal y, alright, like y equals this, y equals this, you are allowed to just do 5x minus 8 equals x plus 4. Because you think about it, like if this equals y and this equals y, that equals the same thing, they equal each other. Solve for it, subtract x, 4x minus 8 equals 4. Add 8 over, 4x equals 12. X equals 3. Cool. Plug it back in. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 3 comma 7. Okay, just plug this back in. If you want to see the work, it's just right here. 3 plus 4, which equals 7. Good stuff. Okay. Solve the following compound inequality. Okay, so here we've got two different things going on. I like to draw a little line down the middle here. I know there's an and, but like you do one, you do the other. I'm going to subtract 6. -4x is less than 32. When you divide by a negative, this inequality sign flips. So I'm going to get x greater than -8. Okay. Still the word and there. Subtract 7. 4x is less than or equal to 12. Divide by 4. X is less than or equal to 3. Okay. So greater than -8 and less than or equal to 3. If you had to graph it, -8's back here, open circle. Okay, that's open. This is closed at 3. Okay, done. You're good to go. Okay, awesome stuff. Cool. Okay. And typically and compounds, they meet in the middle and you're good to go. Now we have an or. Alright, so I'm going to draw my line down here in the middle because, again, I have two separate things. Subtract 9. 7x is less than or equal to -21. Okay. Divide by 7. Notice here that I'm dividing by a +7, so therefore I'm not flipping the sign. Okay. I'm not flipping. Or add 12, 4x is greater than 36. Divide by 4, x is greater than 9. Okay, so if you were to graph this, you are less than or equal to -3, so closed. Okay, closed. And this would be open at 9 to the right. Okay, so or they go opposite directions. Very good. Okay, oops, I knocked over the Joker. Joker said hi. Okay, I have too many toys. All right, which ordered pair is a solution to the system inequalities below? Now, what this means is you want to find which of these xy's work for both of them. So this is an xy, this is an xy, this is an xy, this is an xy. First off, look at the bottom one. You need to have something that's less than 4. Okay, so this one doesn't work because 4 is not less than 4. Get rid of it. So these 3 work. Now all I'm doing is plugging all of these in up to the top to see which one works. So for the first one, if you put a -1 for y, okay, is less than -1. Is -1 less than -1? No, it's less than or equal to. No good. Plug -1 in for y is less than -2 times 2 is -4. Oops, sorry, -2. Oh, sorry, it's -4. -4 minus 1 is -5. Is -1 less than -5? No. So it has to be this one, but just to show you, 1 is less than 3. That's true. We're good. You're just plug in values. That is a terrible values. Okay? There we go. I can write. Alright. Solve and graph the following inequalities, so it's an oral one. Much the same. Subtract 13, subtract 13. 4x is less than or equal to -20. Divide. Okay, good. Or subtract 9, -x is less than -2. When I divide by -1, x is greater than +2. Okay, so how does that graph look? You're less than or equal to -5. Okay, or you're greater than 2. 2 would be open. There we go. Okay, terrific. Okay, Peter Parker is selling a car on Craigslist. There's a 5% sales tax plus $2.50 shipping fee for every mile the car has to be shipped. The equation P equals 7,500 times 1.05 plus 2.5 M is used to calculate the payment owed by his customers. Identify what each variable and number in the equation represents. Okay, so this is one of those weird problems in the Keystone where there's not much math. Okay, but the P, total price. Okay, how much is the total price of the car is going to be worth? Okay, the 7,500 is going to be the price of the car. 7,500 equals price of car, because I'm multiplying that times 1.05. The 1.05 represents sales tax. So kind of interesting, if you were buying anything, we have a 6% sales tax here at PA. You can just do it, times it by 1.06, and that will tell you how much you owe on something when you buy it at the store. Fun fact. The $2.50 shipping fee, okay, which you already know that, so $2.50 shipping fee, I mean, they kind of told us that. And then the M, okay, is every mile car needs to be shipped. Car is shipped. Okay, so not much math there. You have to do a lot of reading. That's why this is aggravating. All right, good stuff. You are selling tickets at a high school football game. Student tickets cost $3 and general admission tickets cost $4. You sell 1,075 tickets and collect $3,875. Write a system. Okay, money. All right, 3x plus 4y equals 3,875. Money. All right. X equals student tickets. Okay, and then Y equals general admission tickets. It's good to label that. The second thing is you have to have X plus Y. Your student tickets plus your general admission tickets add up to 1,075 total tickets. how many of each type of ticket did you sell? Solve it by using elimination. I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by -3. So that's your first part, by the way. Sorry, I'm jumping ahead. The second part, we have to solve it. So 3x plus 4y equals 3,875. I'm going to multiply the bottom thing by -3. I get -3x minus 3y equals, let's see here, 1,075 times -3, -3,225. Cool. When you add these, cool thing, these cancel out. Y equals, if I do 3,875 minus 3,225, we get y equals 650, and that would be general admission tickets. General admission tickets. Okay. To find x, right? X, I'm going to plug this back into one of these two equations. Hey guys, look, easiest equation in the world. I'm just doing 1,075. Man, is this calculator terrible in this light? I'm so sorry. That's a little better. Nope. 1,075 minus 650, 425 for my x. 425 student tickets. Please label things, okay? You're trying to, it's a word problem. It's not just a normal problem here. So you also write as a point, you have to make sure you label things. Wow, that was crazy. All right, good stuff. Finally, this is what we did not too long ago. Graph the systems of inequalities below. So I've got two equations, first, second. Guys, y is less than or equal to 4 is a horizontal line, hoy in box, okay? Hoy, that's horizontal. Box, vertical. Thank you, Miss Aaron. You were amazing. All right. Less than or equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a solid line. Okay. This would be solid. And it's everything below it because it's less than. So it's everything down here. When I did that really, really light, you'll see why in a second. Negative 2x minus 3. My y-intercept's -3. Negative 2x is -2 over 1. So it's down 2 over 1. This is a dashed line. Okay, so, all right, going up. Now, if it's greater than, it's above it. So I'm above this, and I'm below this. So it's everything right here in the middle. I'm using pens, so that's why I'm not really doing, I didn't shade everything at once. Cool, there's your 2 points. Identify one point that is not a solution in the system. Any point not shaded. So I'm going to go with negative 10, 0. Is that the only solution? No. All right, you can literally say 0, 10. That's fine. You're all good. A point that works. How about 0, 0? It's right there in the middle. All right. So again, those do not have to be the only solutions. You can have other ones. It's just something you guys can take a look at. All right. So, hey guys, keep up the good work. Make sure you fight crime, because at the end of the day, you want to be Batman who comes in to save the day, and he punches Joker in the face. I got nothing. All right. Good luck, guys. We're all counting on you.